Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about the best indicators for scalping in MT4. It's a must watch if you're looking to sharpen your short-term trading game and make better decisions in fast-moving markets. All right, let's get straight into it. The first indicator we're going to be looking at is the moving average. All right. Okay, specifically the exponential moving average. It is essential for spotting quick trend directions. Now, scalpers often use the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA. Scalpers often use the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA combinations to catch momentum. When the 9 EMA crosses above the 21 EMA, it signals potential upward momentum, and vice versa. As when the 9 EMA drops below the 21, it signals downward momentum. Okay, EMAs respond faster to price changes than SMAs. All right, which makes them ideal for the lower time frames, especially 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. The next indicator we are going to be talking about is the relative strength index, or RSI for short. Now, the relative strength index helps you spot overbought and oversold conditions. For scalping, you set the RSI to period 14. The 14 period is the default period, with levels marked at 70 and 30. When the RSI dips below 30, it may signal a potential bounce. Above 70, when it is above 70, you watch out, because it could be, it signifies an overbought condition and there could be a downward reversal. So this indicator is great for confirming momentum-based entries and avoiding false setups in sideways markets. The third indicator we are going to be looking at is the Bollinger Bands. All right, the Bollinger Bands are a favorite among scalpers because they visually represent volatility and breakout potential. In MT4, use the standard settings. Okay, you can just use the standard settings of 20 period with 2 standard deviations. All right, so basically when price touches or pierces the outer bands, especially during a squeeze, it often leads to a quick retracement or breakout. All right, scalpers love to fade the bands in ranging markets or trade breakouts in trending ones. All right, so when the market is ranging, you can actually stay away, or you can decide to just catch those small moves within the range, and then you watch out for a breakout and catch the breakout as well if you like breakout trading. Now, the next indicator we're going to be looking at is the stochastic oscillator. All right. For more precision, you add the stochastic oscillator to your chart. You use the settings 533 to make it more sensitive to price changes. It helps identify short-term reversals and confirms RSI signals. Look for crossovers below 20, which is oversold, or above 80, which is overbought, for potential entries or exits. Pairing the RSI and the stochastic can add an extra layer of confirmation to your scalping decisions. All right. Now, finally, we have to talk about the volume indicator. It is important. All right. The volume indicator is actually important. Volume is not used enough by scalpers, but it is powerful. So you can add the volume indicator, to your chart. You look for spikes in volume when price breaks out of a tight range. For example, we can see that when we had a breakout from this range, you can see that at this point there was an increase in volume. Can you see from these zones? You can see this green rising up around these points. I think this was where the breakout happened. You can see that the green bars shows increase in volume, although this was more like a gradual increase. It was not a singular spike. This place where we had a spike, it was even a false breakout before price reversed. All right. So you watch out for volumes, showing that that particular move is backed by momentum. So when you have a spike in volume, it shows that there is actually momentum backing that particular move. Okay. This confirms real participation and helps avoid false breakouts caused by low liquidity. Scalping without volume can lead to traps. So make sure you are watching market activity. All right. Meanwhile, you don't have to add all these indicators to your chart. You can actually stick to 2 or 3 indicators maximum. You don't have to overcrowd your screen. All right. I was just describing each indicator without removing the previous indicator that I added, but you don't have to use all these indicators at once. Okay. You're just going to cluster your chart unnecessarily. Okay. You can use one trend indicator like the moving averages, and then maybe one momentum tool like the RSI or the stochastic, and then one volatility tool like the Bollinger Bands. So we're just going to be removing the volume, the stochastic, and then going to be leaving this. So you can decide to use the Bollinger Bands, moving averages, and RSI, or you can even decide to use just the Bollinger Bands, RSI, and maybe volumes, basically depending on what you prefer. Okay, but you can just stick with 2 or 3 indicators. Combine these tools to filter trades and act only when multiple signals align. Speed is everything in scalping. So you don't want to waste time analyzing cluttered charts. Keep it simple, focused, and responsive. So those are the best indicators for scalping in MT4 that can seriously sharpen your entries and exits. Tap that like button if you got value from this. Subscribe to the channel for more straightforward Forex strategies and tools that actually work. And drop your favorite scalping indicator in the comments. I want to hear what you are using. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.